I forgot it, but this is Escape the Gym obby, so I'm pretty sure we go down this slide. Yep. Oh, it's like one of these obbies that we played, yesterday. I think you guys maybe remember, but we played this obby yesterday. Well, 2 different obbies. Right, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. Oh yeah, we played like the Cigario game, and then we played this obby. So, yeah. At least the stage is automatically saved. Yeah, since you can see like what level I am, I'll be back when I'm like on level 30. So, hi guys, ugh. Well, honestly, I just got bored of doing that obby, and I was just like, yeah, no. So, honestly, we're gonna play Mining Simulator. Let's try Rick's Meep City. No, let's play Meep City, actually. I mean, I'm far in Meep City, so I mean, yeah, let's just play it. So, yeah. Okay. So, yeah, this is my estate. I am loading right now. Yeah, this is my estate. 50 coins, 50 coins. And only 50 coins. So, yeah. Someone have one of those? Oh my god. I really want one of those, so maybe I'll get some money later, maybe. And so, yeah. Or, if you're wondering, I have money over. So, yeah. I'm gonna get one of those. I really want one of them at least. They're really cool. Yeah. I'm gonna look at the toy shop. I'm gonna see the sparklers. Oh no, I'm just looking at items. No sparkler. I'm gonna get one. Pink looks cool. I'm just gonna get one. Oh my god, they have one of these. A little sad. So honestly, yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna save up for. My house looks really cool right now. Probably stuff for my room. Yeah, I'm saving up stuff for my room. Honestly, so let's look through the home improvement. And I'll show you guys my house after this. See, right now, I have that one. I'm probably gonna get that one. If I can get 400 Robux. Which I probably will. Oh. They have new... I know they've had this one because this is for like the kitchen update. Yeah, but right now I have blue polka dots. Rainbow and pastel rainbow look the same, except for those colors, like right there. Right there, it's green. It's blue. Anyway, yeah, let's teleport to my estate. Wondering, my meep is a devil because I don't know why. I just felt like naming it a devil name. So yeah, I named it devil. Right here I have a welcome mat. Right here in my living room, it's really sad. I was like, and then right here is just a random room, probably the guest room. And here's my bathroom. My bathroom looks good, so I don't think I really need anything in my bathroom. And then my kitchen, I've been working on for like forever. So, it looks really good. This is all, so yeah. And I have a trash can right there. I'm probably actually gonna make that extra room like a fashion room, honestly. Now here's my room. I have a hot tub. Oh yeah, and right here's my meat room. Now I need to work on my room though, so yeah. I'm gonna have fancy stuff. Bedroom. Okay. I need this tall closet. So I got that. I have a nice bed, so I don't think I really need a new bed. Unless if I get a new bed. I'm probably gonna get this bed, maybe. But it depends. And I'm probably gonna maybe have a kid. I should make like role plays, maybe. Yeah. So let's buy the small dresser right now. So let's exit and add these things in my room. My tall closet's gonna be like right here. There. Then my small dresser is gonna be right here. There we go, my small dresser. Yeah, I'm gonna go racing, so yeah, I'll be right back when I have 1,000 coins. Hey guys, so I already have had like 1,000 coins, but I have actually upgraded my home. My room is actually done. I got a room for Devil and a baby room. I'm trying just to adopt kids, so I'll ask her if you need a mom. I can be your YouTuber mom. To anyone. And you know what? Here, we're gonna look at a firework. Okay, so let's page up. That's what it looks like. Yeah, let's go to my house. I don't have very much money, and I'm saving up for like a baby stroller and stuff. So this is my room, hot tub, new bed that I got, hamper bed. I like it, so I got it. Got this bed, table and lamp, wall mirror, and a tall closet. And then right here, Devil's room's right here. And then I got my office chair, my baby crib, and the bed when they grow up. I wonder which one was more expensive. Probably that one, but let's see. So the bed I got from them for free was, I don't know if they're actually selling it. I got this hamper bed for 180. The classic bed should be in here. Oh, it's 200. So that one's actually more than the hamper bed. So, I'm actually have my hamper bed as the little kid's bed when they grow up. So, yeah. Oh. Okay, so let's move them. Just moving that right now. There. And then right here, I have my classic bed. I like the classic bed anyway, so yeah. I have this. Honestly, I think this room is actually all done, like the kids' room and this room. Oh, now I'm probably gonna work on getting some baby supplies. Like, so I can have a baby, so that the baby can, like, sit in something. Yeah, first let's go see the sparkler outside, and then I'm gonna actually end this video, so. Let's get this. Oh, why did I do that? There are my toys. Ooh, it's cool. I wonder how long it lasts. But anyway, oh, you get to keep it. Oh wait, never mind, it runs down. Oh. Do I still have it? Yep. Yeah, right now I can have a baby boy. Honestly, this could mean a girl too, but I mean, yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye!